First time आमचे क्लब गासवार्दे one of the oldest club in Goa. Almost 96 years जाली ह्या क्लबाक. We have done a lot of events happening in the club. ह्या वर्सा आमी फर्स्ट टायम क्रिसमस मार्केट म्हणजे कन्सेप्ट वेर आमचे मेंबर आनी तांचे फ्रेंड्स गेस्ट येवंक शकता हांगा एक लिटल एरिया वेर आवर पीपल हॅव डिस्प्लेड तुमी पळयलां आसलें लॉट ऑफ स्टॉल्स हॅव बीन सेट अप and lot of enthusiasm among members to come and participate about it. And this program with the formal shopping area will follow with the food stalls, games, live music being played. So एक evening बरो happening evening जातली and lot of members will participate. भुरग्यांची फाल्यां party आसा 4 ते 7. So it's going to be a Christmas party which is held every year for the kids. That will be part of the 3-day program we are having, and it will be a fun day. So Christmas fever we want to get into Goa much earlier than the other people want to are in. So festive time we are trying to create out of this place.
Okay, total कितने स्टॉल तुमचे आहा?
Total आमचे about 22 का 23 स्टॉल आसा displaying various different type of products, and food stalls we have got 5 people participating. We had restricted the number to only 5 people because of lack of space. People have set up, you can see a lot of enthusiasm in the food counter and variety of food, Himachali cuisine, Chinese cuisine, Goan cuisine, असे वेगळे cuisines are being served here.
So weekend आसा तर किती expectation crowd?
Crowd येता तितलो बरो. We are welcoming everybody and we just starting today and फाल्यां आनी परां 3 days we will be having this thing, and we expect a lot of people to come requesting members to and their friends, whoever wants to come and enjoy this festive time.
I'm a scrap metal artist, and what I do is I recycle metal scrap that I find mostly in scrap yards or either in the garage where I take my car for repairs. So each piece is a unique piece because it's a one-off single piece. I cannot replicate anything because I don't find the same pieces to make duplicates that way. So each piece is unique in that sense. You won't find another piece like it anywhere, either here or maybe probably in the world. So that's about me.
This is weekend. What expectation you have setting the stall into?
I've been looking forward to it, as in this is probably the second time I'm putting up a stall, but I think it's going to be a good response, hopefully. So let's see what happens.
Hi, this is Shilpa. I'm from Panjim only, and my brand name is Shilpakala, the art boutique. I am into handmade jewelry and handcrafted products. I make festival products also, but right now Christmas is there, so I have all the handmade earrings. And my uniqueness is I don't repeat my designs. So each design is only one stuff. I don't repeat my own designs. So this is all about my brand, Shilpakala, the art boutique. Thank you.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.